just work out for your brand how you make a difference.
You might be saying right now, but Manuel, I'm not a content creator. I'm not a face. Well, I'm gonna give you guys what's working right now for any brand. Even if you don't feel comfortable being in front of a camera, it's nothing to do with that. When I teach Amazon sellers, I try to make it very simple for them. And technology right now today is making it so damn easy for us to be able to not have any excuses when it comes to creating pieces of content that convert, that it's just so damn easy right now. You have those things that are called the stories that I'm going to show you how you can do paid advertising on them. Just from this podcast, you're going to be able to have enough data to go in there and do something yourself. Yeah, so let's talk about that. Okay, so now for Amazon sellers, you guys know that you have 7 images on your listing, and you use them with the idea of getting people to convert on your listing. Some of you guys use them differently. Some people use main image, and then they use product back image, and then they have a series of 5 lifestyle images. Well, what you're gonna do with those images is that you're gonna test them out on Instagram stories. You're gonna grab those images and you're gonna make them into a GIF. If you guys don't know what a GIF is, it's kind of those very interactive little short video clips that are 15 seconds or less. And they can communicate a message. They can talk about a brand, put a branding message on it. They can be a series of images that turn into a video. That's what a GIF is. It works really well on Instagram stories. You don't have to have a single image. You don't have to have a video. A GIF is kind of like a combination of single images and videos, and it has this really cool effect. And guess what? Now you guys can do them for free. For example, let me give you 2 tools for that. If you go to your iPhone app, on Android, there's also an app called GIF Maker, GIF Maker. These are free apps that you can go ahead and grab your 7 images from your actual listing on Amazon and plug them into the app and create a very cool GIF and even add text to it. So what I'm doing right now, which I'm testing out very successfully because I measure the exact numbers of the effects of the campaign, is that I'm actually creating these GIFs and I'm running them on Instagram, which right now happens to be the lowest CPM, meaning cost per thousand, that you can find out there. There's Instagram newsfeed, there's Facebook newsfeed, there's messenger marketing, there's all these things that are going on. Nothing is cheaper right now to find 1,000 people interested in your brand, highly targeted, than Instagram stories today. So I'm using that and simply using the images for brands that I own and I handle also in my agency that don't have a particular face, somebody that talks on the camera. I'm creating those GIFs and I'm using them as ads. And what I'm doing is that I'm running 40% coupons to my Amazon listing just to generate a very high, consistent sales velocity volume that are going to get the products ranked and positioned across the board.